A properly maintained arrestor prevents catastrophic failure on digesters caused by an overpressure or vacuum condition that can be prevented with routine maintenance on the entire relief assembly. The flame arrestor is critical for safety because it prevents flame flashback into the digester gas holding space. The arrestor is composed of rectangular corrugated sheets that are stacked together. The gaps formed create the surface area to quench the flame. If the arrestors are not cleaned, the gaps can become clogged, resulting in high pressure loss affecting the relief valve's operation. So it's important to have equipment that is easy to maintain. The Varec Model 5000-510 flame arrestor is the industry standard because of its ease of maintenance. Watch how to perform proper maintenance on the Varec 5000-510 flame arrestor by following these simple steps, ensuring a safe, trouble-free system.
Hello, I'm Scott Milloway with Varec Biogas. I'm a senior field service engineer with 27 years of field experience working on both the digester gas applications as well as the chemical and oil refinery type of applications. We basically want to stress on the digesters how we sell the rectangular flame arrestors, which are designed specifically for the digester gas applications. We have a model 5400 flame arrestor, which Varec Biogas does sell. We do not sell it in the digester applications, and I'm going to show you basically why we do not sell it. The 5400 is a round cylindrical type of flame arrestor. If you notice, it's actually part of the integrated section of the valve. It must be jacked apart and removed in order to clean it. Cleaning it is very difficult because of the fact that it's a wire round unit, it's non-expansible, and they have a tendency to plug up in dirty applications. When you order something or specify a flame arrestor from Varec Biogas, this is what you're going to get. We're going to give you one of these flame arrestors, and I'm going to show you why we're going to give you this flame arrestor. You have a removable cover, and you just remove your bolts. You take your gasket set aside. Normally, under routine maintenance, these are Garlock gaskets. We just usually replace these gaskets. They're very simple and somewhat inexpensive. You have your handle. You can pull your flame bank right out. It's very simple, very accessible. It's an expansible bank. We use a corrugated sheets inside of here, which are pressed. The sheets are alternating, which basically allow the gas path to flow through it. It reduces the pressure drop across the flame arrestor as well because of this design. It's expansible, which will allow you better access for cleaning and inspecting these sheets. We normally will clean these sheets on a I'd say once a year basis on this because it is a static arrestor, and we recommend using a light pressure washer or a mild eco-friendly type cleaner like Simple Green or any of the orange ones. If this is done once a year, these sheets will last a very, very long time. They'll give you many, many years of service. We'll put a little bit of grease on the surfaces. Just makes it slide in and out very easy. Easy accessible. A lot of times the operators just come out there, they open these up, they can do visual indications on them. Don't even really have to take them apart if they're nice and clean. Once the unit's back in service, they basically slide it all back in. Very simple. You put your gasket back on. Again, we do recommend just using a new gasket because of the type of material that these gaskets are made out of. Line your holes up, and it's as easy as that. So, given a choice, in all my years of experience, I would much rather service this unit than this unit. So, the choice is yours basically, but the Varec Biogas basically is the much smarter choice. And operators would much prefer to do this. So if you have something easy to do as far as maintenance on, the maintenance is going to get done.
Still have more questions? We're here to help. Contact us today.